electricity is something you can't see or hear or taste or smell. Hollywood has given us some sort of idea that if there's a down power line that's going to be crackling and smoking and there's going to be flame shooting out of it. That's not how it works. It really is a silent killer. Standing water with any sort of contamination, by contamination, any sort of dirt, other substances in it, becomes a conductor. Any low-lying areas where you may have outlets or light fixtures could potentially become energized. So you may end up with energized water in your basement, in your crawl space. One of the biggest concerns there is what's known as step potential. The best analogy that I've always heard is to think of it as throwing a rock into a pond. You throw a rock into a pond, it ripples out. Every one of those ripples represents a difference in potential, and potential meaning the voltage as it dissipates to go to ground source. So you as a person are walking across that and you step across two different potentials, the voltage difference is going to try to equalize across your body. So now that voltage is entering one foot and trying to exit the other foot going through your body. You could be killed instantly and nobody would have the faintest clue what had even had happened. We get stories every year of somebody saying, oh yeah, I was cutting a tree and it laid into the power line, so I tied a rope on it and pulled it off of there with my tractor. Well, you know, you got really lucky because that could have killed you. Could have set your tractor on fire, could have killed you when you touched it, whatever. You know, a lot of people take electricity for granted, and it's become such a mundane part of our lives that we assume it's always going to be there and it's always going to be safe. And any number of conditions can change that. If you see downed wires, don't drive across them. If you see a downed pole, don't grab a hold of it and try to get it out of the road. Don't take a chance with electricity. Call the professionals, it's what we're there to do. That's our job.